Those who follow the path of knowledge, they tell it is the vision of understanding, the vision of discrimination. Those who follow the path of yoga, they say there is a mystic eye, the spiritual eye, which is known as Tritiya Netra, third eye. It is not a physical eye, but it is a place of calmness, concentration, balance, harmony, and unity. Those who have seen the picture or the idol of Lord Ganesha, Mother Durga, or Lord Shiva, one will find there is a third eye. It is above the midpoint of eyebrows. If you look at the Kriya symbol, in the Kriya symbol, two eyebrows and the third eye is depicted. The third eye, which is shown in case of Lord Ganesha, Lord Shiva, or Mother Durga, the location of the eye is not as it is horizontal, that eye is vertical. When that eye is vertical, what does it mean? When the eyes are horizontal, we cannot see above, we have to look up. So vertical eye means you can also see up easily. This is one meaning. The other meaning of third eye, it is the eye of unity. These two eyes are the eyes of duality. Gurudev usually gave the example of coconut. If you see the coconut, it has three eyes. They call three eyes. Out of three eyes, one eye sprouts. The other two eyes are blind eyes. They don't sprout. It sprouts only in one eye. Similarly, the two eyes are the eyes of duality. Eyes of duality means mine and thine, you and me, friend and enemy. When we live in this world, we have already divided this world into two groups. With our raga and dvesha, likes and dislikes, whichever we like, we want to possess, we want to hold, we want to keep near. Which we don't like, we want to run away, we want to hate. This is not the path of spirituality. In path of spirituality, one should not behave like Dhritarashtra, who is blind. One should live like a person with eyes open and never think our eyes are open. So long as we are overpowered with these dualities, likes and dislikes, we are blind. Because we are blind with the people whom we love, we have affection and attachment. Whom we don't like, we are blind towards them. Even if they have good qualities, we say they are bad. We cannot appreciate because we have started disliking them. Although we have two eyes open, these are not the real eye. We should open the mystic eye, the third eye, which will help us to see what is truth, what is reality.